in the midst of a busy day. A cup of coffee can help you unwind, and a wooden coffee stirrer is the perfect companion for your coffee. Each stirrer is made from smooth, fur-free natural birchwood, eco-friendly and non-toxic, perfect for daily use at home, at the office, and ideal for cafes and restaurants. Our wooden coffee stirrers come in various lengths and shapes, with options to customize logos and packaging, offering both eco-friendliness and practically. Choose Yada Xinyan's wooden coffee stirrers for a perfect cup every time. Contact us to learn more. Ready to explore more? Visit www.chinawood.com. Join us in making a greener choice.